Hello, and welcome to another episode of Gunpla Builds. And on today's episode, we have the real grade Nu Gundam. Yes, this is, God, I don't even know. This is the first new release kit that I've bought probably since the Master Grade Jagan was a new release kit. I don't really buy that many new release kits, but the only reason I really got it was because I basically got it for 25% off at Barnes & Noble. And I was originally going to get the high grade, but 25% off of this, it was still a little more than the high grade, but not by much. So yes, there is the top of the box. Come to the front of the box. Very nice images there. And to the other side of this. Some nice pose and images there. And of course this price sticker. So there's that. Before we get to the runners, here is the front of this box. A bit different from the usual stuff. But still, very cool. And there's like a comparison. And yes, that's what I have right there, is the high grade Sazabi in my collection. So yeah. And now, on to the runners. So first up, of course, is the real grade decals. I have to admit, I get tired of this. I mean, I don't have the time or the coordination or the patience to put a bazillion decals on. I literally do just the eyes, and that's it. I don't have time, I might put one on the shoulder, like on the Mark II or something, but otherwise all these decals do me no good. So first up is Runner J. Next up is B, which is the real grade joints, as you can see. There's not that many joints on there. These are actually for those flying, I forget what they're called, the gun things. Here's the H runner. Here is the A runner. Here is the F runner. Here is the C1 runner. Beam sabers. The D runner. The K runner. G runner. E runner. L1 runner. I1 runner. And that leaves us with the manual. Here is the manual in the typical real grade fashion. Starts with the legs. To the waist. To the chest. To the arms. to the head and the backpack, and then the weapons. And that is the decal sheet. So the actual last things in this box, not that anyone's probably going to care about this. So there's an advert for the 30-minute missions here. Which I've seen these. I've thought about picking up one or two for some, swapping part customs that I want to try, but I just don't really know. But yeah, that's front and back. For those that care, I've seen reviews. They look pretty nice, so I don't know. Maybe I'll pick one up or one or two up someday for my swapping idea. But yeah, that's the first one, and then the other one is for the Gunpla Battle, Gunpla Warfare Gundam Battle mobile game, which it was good for like the beginning, but I got to the point with the game where I kind of had to I couldn't progress through the story because of the fact that all my Gundams were too weak. And, without paying real money, it was going to take forever for me to get to that point. So I recently uninstalled that game. But, you want to try it, go right ahead. I would rather buy Nu Gundam Breaker on Steam someday. Whatever drops in price. So that's the actual last things. So now, thank you for watching, and goodbye.